The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Yeah, this is my gentleman, my new man. I'm here telling about. See me here, I'm active, I'm have a boss. I'm not telling you lie. I want to active. I want to so one. But I draw back film. I mean, all man you know, but I just draw back film. Play stuff though. I must say something. This one cute, but nobody take away that one here. Please me, everybody. Don't take away that good man here. I'm have a boss. Don't.
Alright, my baby. Alright, so.
Post me now. Post it.
Alright, so I'm gonna post it. Yeah.
Soleni. May I tell you, she full of vibes, as all some Jamaicans might say. You see me? Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a female who goes by the name of Soleni and a man who goes by the name of Marvin the Beast. Now, viewers and subscribers, one of the reasons why I presented that video to you is because that video is being talked about on social media, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in that video. Alright? Now, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, but before I present those videos to you, I'm going to tell you from right now that these videos contain scenes that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not like to see. Alright? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show what happened between a motorist and the police somewhere within the country of Jamaica. This video shows when the police was trying to pull a motorist out of a vehicle, and at some point the motorist drove off the vehicle while the driver door of the vehicle was opened and the lower parts of one of the police officers' body was hanging from the vehicle. At some point, the police officer let go. I'm not sure if he fell from the vehicle, but however, the motorist drove away from the police while passengers was in the vehicle. Now, viewers and subscribers, I have no confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly when this video had been recorded. But however, this video is being talked about on social media, and I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Right foot out. Yeah? Put out your right foot, brother. I don't understand why you have to explain certain things to me. No, what am I doing for? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
Hold on, pull the door there, man.
Yo, watch it, yo, driver, what you do? Bumbo, yo, driver, what you do? Driver, the bumbo clock, you the driver. Yo, driver, let me out, no man. Yo, let me out. Yo, driver, let me out. I'm gonna hurt no man, not bumbo clock there, brother.
I wonder what could have caused for something like that to happen. I wonder why that happened. Why did the motorist drove off like that? Alright, you can let me know what to think about that video that I just presented to you, and with that I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man sitting on top of a light pole somewhere within the country of Jamaica, and this person was using some very harsh languages. Some places on social media, it is said that the video shows a man sitting on top of a utility pole. You see me? And according to some comments that have been made on social media, I got the understanding that many persons are concerned about some of the things that have been shown and said in the video. Some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are wondering if the person is mentally ill, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are wondering if the person was trying to commit suicide. However, I did not get any information as to if the person was trying to commit suicide or if the person is mentally ill, and I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this video has been recorded. I also do not have any confirmed information as to when this video has been recorded either. However, this video is being talked about on social media, and I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about this video. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Before you get fucked.
But me no want him come down here, you know.
Let him talk to real God. If we're not blind. And if it's not real God, God, this pussy for God are clean like that. And she run like fire.
And the want him come down.
Emil, you don't know what to do, but hey! I don't know what to do. I feel that I look up, this like that, this come in, this the man ready to swim up, you know. He said, don't go up there, you know. Don't go up there.
Jesus.
And the man said, who shall I say, he can't go for that blood clot. They say, come here, one like the man make. The man reach up there to blood clot.
Lord have mercy. But it's like if you get an injection or something.
You just a chip, you know. A chip, you just a chip, you know.
Right.
You see, they start, you start chip. So you see?
Jesus Christ. What? Yeah, we are Ninja.
Hello. Look at her. What's your man's look on?
Man, see? I'm nervous, man. God no.
Look at her, one fight I got take care of it. See,
yeah.
Take care of blood clot.
Phone I got dead.
Why you be there enough already?
Viewers and subscribers, I only hope that he's okay. I really and truly hope that that person is okay. You see me I say? That video shows some things that I think are highly dangerous. Climbing a pole like that is highly dangerous. Only persons who are trained and certified and have the authorization from the company who own that light pole supposed to climb that light pole. See me? Once you don't work for the company, you don't have the authorization, and if you're not certified or trained to climb a light pole like that, don't do it. Cause me know me not do it. See? I'm afraid of current, you know. I'm afraid of electricity, you know. You see me? Alright, now the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a musician who goes by the name of Dexter Dapps. And according to some things that have been said in this video, I got the understanding that Dexter Dapps talk about some things that happened within the country of Jamaica, and talk about the crime and violence, and about a female who had been killed within the country of Jamaica who goes by the name of Khanice Jackson. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to some of the things that Dexter Dapps said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that he said. You see? He talked about Jamaica and he talked about other things as well, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, here I'm going to present the video to you, and this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I've been paying attention, because I'm not that Jamaican, but I've been paying attention to who are really take place down there. I don't know if you keep posted on all little things them. What are going all about. You know what I mean? Whether it be the garrison, whether it be uptown, whether it be governmental things. We want to know what going on in our country, you see? Because you don't know my birthplace. Jamaica land we love. You see? So, for like a few days now, I pay attention to a situation where I see with a little girl get raped and them kill her after them rape her. Then me hear say them find the person who do it. Me don't know how them find him still alive. But make we not get into that still. If certain people find him, you don't know. Me not understand how them find him. Me don't know who find him. Me don't know how police find him. Police find a bad man where them a look for. Him not make it to jail. We don't see it all the time, we know that. So I want to find him and him there. Yo, another, I don't even want to address that because them all say things. I don't really want them follow me up, you know. You don't know me always there on them scope, me always there on them radar anyways. That me give a fuck still. You see me? Because I work. You see me, I say. Put this together in your brain. Because me more think about solution than the problem. Khanice, family, my condolences. You see me? Just get that in right now. That situation there, it just fucked up. If you don't say, just for meditate the whole thing what happened. My girl don't want you just feel like say you can go around and just, it just fuck up for even try meds if you understand it. You understand what I say? The most we can do say right now to our family is just my condolences. Because we can't bring back the little girl, you see me I say? And I go to she would have be the breadwinner for your family. You never know that, you know. So you never know who to take. You take one important person in your life. Life is everything. Comes to one of my conclusion them with Jamaica. Jamaica, me tell you this. Me there Florida. Me there Atlanta. Me there about enough places where me see weapons are legal. You can just get a weapon. You understand what I say? You know what that means? You can protect your life. You see, in a Jamaica, and this might sound fuck up, but at the truth, you see, in a Jamaica, you have to own a whole lot of property. You have to own things if you can obtain a weapon to protect your life. That means a property you are protecting a brother. What about the life of people who have gonna protect property? Make the thing run up on one woman in a Florida boy you want to rape her out her Persia take her fishing wing and bust your pussy. Yeah. Me know that for a fact. You see me I say that one of the biggest things them Jamaica can understand now. At first if you do this, we have a little purge. Yeah. The weak one them have them gun and things. Yeah. But that's what life is. Sometimes it just move forward from that. But if we don't start do something about it, people are going to protect themselves. This is going to continuously happen. We can't look on police and say, you need to do that and you need. Because them not dead when the girl them get raped. We can't even look on certain people. And another thing, we don't really want to get into this damn thing because of people call people Dan really. But the youth them will have the influence in the community them. If you get rid of the youth them in the community will have influence, the youth them will say no raper can dep on my block. Oh, who not gonna do that? Police in alone can't take care of Jamaica, you know. Police in alone can't do it. They need the support of the community them, so need people with influence in our community. They can't have a big woman in our community who she have so much influence and she not support certain things, and then she have certain youth around her where she can line out and say, yo, make sure you say that in order. And them people don't want to get rid of. And them who call Dan people who have influence who are trying the community them. Now, you know what you feel like we not fuck up Dan too, you know. Fuck up Dan we support rape and them thing there. And them one down to get rid of. It's a balance. But if we not get the help from the community and the leaders of the community, we will never put in charge. People over there on the ground every single day. How it a go fix. how you gonna know what go on. Start think. And if you not do nothing, nothing will be done. You understand what I say? It just so just keep on continue. Another girl get raped, 10 artists voice song about it, release it and get at. You know, depend that we do know. Big up to the people them want do something about it. Big up to the youth them that them community when on a rape about that, them know them a bully. And that me a deal it. You see me I say me a response. Bumbuckler. We don't know the meds. I don't even want to get into this too much and go on like say I want to say too much. Big up to my ladies them. Khanice. Rest in peace. Jamaica me a watch you know. Love Jamaica though, I'm not sell out. But please make do something about this. I come off of this alive, you know. Bless up to everybody who tune in same way. You hear? Never had to say nothing still, but we just feel like we need to say something. You see me I say, and the people them out there when not say nothing who have influence, please say something. You understand? Because this need to stop, and the more we get out there and make our voice be heard, the more people know are the wrong thing we are not out against and we can fix it. So if you have influence, please say something about it. Let me hear your suggestion now. Blessed Lord.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Yeah, let me know what you think about some of the things that Dexter Dapps said. You can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in the other videos that I presented to you. Alright, and yeah, here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it? Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.